Hey guys, it is David again.
Don't take my cola.
Alright,
Don't take.
we are on Left 4 Dead, and this is one of my first
Oh,
videos in a game.
Oh, y'all watch me die.
Well, Marcus just died.
Eat my.
Well, Darius is still alive.
Shut up. You can eat it too.
Alright,
Shut up.
right now.
Shut up. Quiet, huh?
He's alive.
Shut up. Country boy, y'all make the country boy look black.
Right now,
Shut up.
it's the back version, I think.
Shut up. It's not the black version.
I said back, not black.
I swear. Shut up.
Oh man, you see that? It's not all up in his butt and stuff. Oh, disturbing. Oh, dude.
Trying to get rid of my body?
Shut up, perv.
Whoa, whoa.
What happened to him?
I died.
Freaking
Shut
loser.
up.
Alright, now.
It's a freaking counting the wine.
I guess keep on firing outside, we both cross the face.
See, look.
Ah! Crap!
I go black. I go black.
Once you go black, you can never go back.
Once you go black, you'll never go back.
Freaking cheater.
The whole version. That's him up close.
Shut up.
That's gun view.
Eat it.
That's whole person view.
Shut up.
It's like first person, third person.
Shut up.
Third.
Shut up.
First. Dog, do not get in my bean bag.
Your dog's gonna run you down. Like you usually do.
Where's the cola?
Huh? It fell on the floor when I died.
Oh, dude, who are they eating or something? Jeez. They're all on the ground. Oh, my finger got in front of it. Sorry about that.
You gotta get the cola.
No,
No, it's not the cola. No, you need the cola.
Who's the cola?
It's cola.
I got the check. I'm bored.
Where'd everybody go? What the fudge?
Sickle.
Yeah.
See? Those are good. Now shoot the car. They make more.
Oh, there you guys are.
First person? Third person.
Crap.
There's blood on the screen. That's gross.
Shut up.
Boy, you're not trying to start
Shut up.
it.
You got me killed.
Me?
You black version.
I'm a black version, dude.
You hypnotype people.
I'm gonna rock right now. I'm gonna rock right now. At least it's not like Halo Reach. You get hit once and dead. No, Call of Duty. Take it back. Like, no, I'm at Black Ops. Like Shangri-La. It just hit you once. You're on the ground. It's like, ooh, yeah. Freaking explosive zombie. Explosive. Whatever the word is called. Pistols have unlimited ammo. No tip, Sherlock. Oh. Banded.
Shut up.
Every time you shut up, I'll shut you up. Alright. It's getting dark. That was a dark. There you go. There. The cola's in there, I think. Who's cola? You? I got more ammo for a second, I think. Keep on clicking it. Oh, jeez. Alright, guys. This is a video. Another video by...
Forehead.
Shut up.
What do you say?
He's gonna fart on your forehead.
I fart on your forehead?
Shut up.
He's going to fart.
Alright, guys. This is another video by Davin and Marcus.
I'm gonna eat you.
Can't eat me.
Shut up.
Can't eat me.
You know who?
Alright, see ya, people.